Wake up, darling. Wake up, my cruel and merciless torturer. Please wake up and look at your devastated and destroyed victim. The girl whose art you torn to pieces. The girl that devoted herself to fulfill your every desire. The girl that cried for you every tear she had. The girl that would humiliate herself in exchange for the slightest demonstration of love from you. The girl that would give her life for feeling the touch of your lips. The girl that you make think of the first time in her life she was special for someone. Just to throw her away like a used tissue. To kick her out of your life. Knowing that you were the only thing she had in her life. Shh, shh. No, darling. Don't try to struggle. If you do, the ropes might hurt you. I don't want you to get hurt, darling. Not yet, at least. First, I want you to talk to me. To tell me all the reasons you decided to treat me like garbage and abandon me. I want to listen to all that you have in your twisted and wicked heart. That black hole of sadistic and merciless, demonic cruelty. And once I know why do you hate me so much? Why did you destroy my life? Why did you put me through this hell I'm living in right now? Once you answer me why did you do something like that, I will hurt you. Just then I am going to show you how much pain a person can suffer. What does it feel when someone that you used to love, if you ever loved me, breaks your body, your sanity and your soul? Once I remove the tape from your mouth, you are going to calmly and peacefully talk with me. Our civil and normal conversation. No screaming, no shouting, no begging for mercy, no crying. Well, first, tell me. Wait, did you leave me? No! Shut up right now! You are not going to say you love me now, just to save your neck. I told you to shut up! Stop! Stop! I told you to stop! Please stop. Stop. Don't say anything more. Just shut up. Stop. Don't do this to me. You don't love me. You didn't love me back then. You don't even know what love is. What it feels like. You are a liar. You have always been a liar. A worthless and degenerated manipulative liar. No, don't even try to look hurt. You know I will never believe that you still love me. You never loved me. Just stop denying the obvious and tell me the truth. What is your excuse for playing around with my heart? For using me? Stop saying you still love me. I will not let you laugh at my face again. Cut it out, you sick monster. Cut it out. Cut it out. Give up. I will not believe in your lies. I will not let you do this to me. I can't take it again. Stop saying these things that are not true. Things that I dreamed to hear you say for so much time. Why? Why do you keep playing with me? Why? Don't call me that. I used to feel like the happiest girl in the world when you called me your princess and put your arm around my waist. Back when I believed you loved me. You are still trying to make me believe that you love me? Then why did you leave me? Why did you break up with me? Why did you abandon me? Why did you destroy my life? I was hurting you? How on earth was I hurting you? Because I didn't trust in you? Because I was always make you feel like you didn't love me enough? What are you talking about? When did I do any of those things? I make you feel like you didn't deserve me? When and how? Oh my god. But that wasn't my intention. I just keep telling you how much I loved you more that you loved me because I wanted you to feel appreciated, loved, special, not unworthy or anything. No, that wasn't either that way. I never told you that you were a bad partner. I didn't get jealous or anxious about you cheating on me because I thought that you were an immoral or unfeeling person. I didn't think that you would just betray me because you were a bad partner. It's just that jealousy is something that I have no control over. Are thoughts that just pop out in my mind randomly at any time. I swear that if I could choose to not have them, I would. But it is not like that. It's like if something in my mind just feels the need to be constantly thinking on the darkest what if that I can imagine and then span that thought through the day at random moments. I'm sorry you feel like that, but why did you just break up with me and never contact me again? Why didn't you at least give me the chance to try to fix our problems, to work it out? You were afraid to criticize me at first because how much I used to self loathe back then. So you repressed those feelings, you tried to ignore them, and they just bottled up till it was unbearable. And the reason because you practically erased me from your life so suddenly and never answered any of my attempts to talk even with you was because at the time of our breakup you were already grown up to hate me. You never could hate me. Then why? Because even though you love me, being with me was hurting you so much. Deep inside, you still loved me, and you couldn't look at my face without breaking your will and losing your resolution and going back to my arms, regardless of how toxic or harmful it was for you. Do you really? You really wanted to go back with me all this time? And yet, why did this happen to us? Why didn't I realize I was hurting you? Why didn't you talk? Why? Let me untie you. This was all a stupidity. I can't believe myself. Why are you hugging me? I was a bitch to you during our relationship and now. I just made a mess of your life and mine. And why did I break the only thing that makes me happy in my life? Why did I mess everything up? Are you sure that you want to try again? I am still an immature and emotional mess. I will not be good for you. I will hurt you again. You have been in the worst pain in your life since the day we broke up, but you have missed me every day and night. Living life alone after having something so intimate as what we have been nothing more than a torture for you too. Yes, let's try again. I promise. I will try to be better for you. I will try to understand your feelings and I will try to be someone that actually makes your life happier instead of how I was. We can try couple therapy or counseling or I don't know. I just want us to have a healthy relationship this time. Yes, I know we can make it work. I trust in you. I trust in us. I love you. Hey guys, thank you for listening. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also check out my other videos on your screen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It will encourage me to create more content. As always, be strong, be kind, and love yourself. Also, believe in yourself. And I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.